just got our room and we got a free upgrade, which is super nice. So here is the tour. Here's the entrance, which we have a nice freaking pool. And this is all to ourselves. What the F? The door. And it's straight into the bedroom, which is huge. Little desk area. Living room. And then the TV is behind here. We got some welcome fruits. Mango. Is this calamansi?
I guess, yeah.
I've never seen one before. And dragon fruit. And then they said that everything in the mini bar is complimentary except for the alcohol, which we will definitely be taking advantage of. Yummy. Dang, there's no coconuts in here. I want coconut water. Oh, nice. They have Apple TV. And then a little vanity area. Nice and bright. We have a, how do I open this? I think I just locked it. Why am I struggling to open this? Oh, there we go. We have an outdoor shower. It's completely private, but I don't know if I'll be naked out here. And then we have the shower. I'm assuming this is the toilet. Yes. Look at this freaking bathtub. Some couches next to the bathtub and the sinks. It's so nice here. Taste this one. It's very floral-y. That's so good.
You can have it with the chili sauce.
I'll try it first without it. I don't even like lamb. Breakfast. to go island hopping, but the waves were so big and we saw so many horror stories on how dangerous it is to go to Phi Phi Islands when the tide is high, so we decided to just stay on the resort, and it actually ended up being one of our favorite days during vacation. The resort has a private beach and we were basically the only ones there, so I took full advantage of the hammock, and of course we had to get a coconut and some drinks. So you gotta go eat that one. You gotta share, bud. Oh shit. I can't even go on my tiptoes. We moved to the pool for a dip, and this pool was 7 feet deep, which was amazing. We got a small lunch, which I forgot to record, and then headed to the spa for a massage.
I think it was, something oil.
Yeah,
This one, jojoba oil.
This is ginger. This is spongy bunny.
I'll do the last one.
The last one,
The-
spongy bunny.
Yeah.
Okay, for you.
Actually, me too. Also the same.
Spongy bunny.
Thank you. You guys, this is officially the fanciest dinner experience Alex and I ever had. If you ever watched a movie The Menu, it was that level of fancy but without the killing. The first course was durian, and we both don't like durian, but we didn't taste or smell any of the funk in this. It was so creamy and delicious. I didn't record the rest of the dinner because I wanted to be fully present, but I did take snaps of a few aesthetic dishes, and then they brought us back to the cocktail room for desserts and a birthday surprise for Alex, which I sadly lost the footage to. Is it really? It's not?
Swapping this one probably.
Well, I stuck my whole nose in there.
It's not that one.
It's not this one either.
No, yes it is.
Is it?
Yes it is. If you're too close, you don't. 100 million %. 100,000 million %.
Okay, fine. I don't taste it though.
Try the waffle. Let me try it. Oh yeah.
Mango sticky rice.
best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.
Got shrimp congee, green tea cupcake, even though it's like 6 a.m. here. I got the young coconut latte, and that's a lavender latte, and then panna chocolate.
Happy, happy, happy. It's my happy day, I want to sing it all the day. My best friends are always with me. We sing, we dance, we laugh, we are happy every day. Have fun with us, let's say happy, 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 happy.